Okay, welcome. This is the end of the week review video. This helps us to be accountable, and it just keep learning and relearning and keep seeing charts until it becomes second nature to us all. Okay, we're going to go through Monday through Friday, then we're going to go through the spreadsheet, and we're going to call it a week. And what a week it was. All right. So here we go. This was Monday. And I take these screenshots, I put them into my TradeZella, in my notebook section of TradeZella. It's a good thing to review. And then I replay the sessions the next morning before the session opens. So these are just some good habits. One trade, reversal move, hit four sides, went for 2 points. Okay, 2 points. So we had a nice CZ right here, and it broke down, but the momentum didn't continue. So even if you tried to get in here, it shot up pretty quick. And that kind of took the air out of this compression zone. Now, that's my rule. Once a compression zone has been burst, that's it. But then it reversed and it broke through the top here, and you could have gotten some points here, but that's not part of my system. But that's a rule I have. But then we went up, came down, came up again, came down. So this was a strong reversal move, and you can get in right here, and it went down to like not quite 8 points. So we got to 4 point. And then it reversed to get us out. So it was two points net on this trade. Oh yeah, that's what it was. We hit 4, and then it reversed here and went back to break even. So that was 2 points. All right, 2 points for Monday. Now let's see if I can. Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday. Good for 4 points net. Okay, this one was pretty clear. Here's the compression zone, right? We went up, we went down, we went up, and we went down. Clear break of the compression zone. Great signal candle. You could get in right here, pulled back a little bit, and then over the next half hour, we got down to 10. So it was good for 4 points net. And then it just kind of went choppy like that. Okay. 4 points net. Woohoo. Next, Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday the 15th, yeah. Okay, here we got a compression zone. We went up, we went down, we went up, got 3 sides. Clean break right here, right? Tested it. This broke a little bit, but not enough. That didn't break it. This one was a clear break. Great signal candle. And then it took off from there. And that gave us 3.5 points. So we got 7. Okay. So we got 3.5 points there. I think I put it as 4. Okay. Then we go to Thursday. Thursday, we had kind of a wild. All of this was a compression zone, right? And I didn't go for this one here. Okay, you could have drawn a line across there. I didn't go for this one here because it had really just kind of gone down and gone up, and I wanted it to hit the 4 sides. So it just kind of came down, came up, and not enough compression. But then it came down, and then it went back up again, and that's where I got in, right here. And we got just 2 points net. It got to the 4 points. We sold half, moved to break even +1, and that was that. That was it for that day. And then the last day, which is today, this compression zone, it was just a slow drift down. So it didn't really go up and down like I want it to. So I did not take this one. But then you can see, just tested it, went down, we went up, down, up. Here, this is a strong signal candle. Went up, tested the top, and then it broke 3/4 of a point right there, and then it went down pretty cleanly after that. That got us a net of 5 points. So that was awesome. That was great. Okay, so now okay. So here were the numbers: 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 4, 6, 2, and 5. We didn't have any stops, which was great. Usually there's stops. So we had 5 trades. 5 trades, 19 points. We got 19 points. So this is based on 4 contracts. You make $3,800. Now, let's say you're just trading 2 contracts. Well, then you would have made $1,900. 10 contracts. You can see over here, you would have made $9,500. And of course, if you were trading 100, let's just go up to let's say 40. Okay, 40 contracts, you would have made $38,000. So the beautiful thing about trading the ES futures is there's a ton of liquidity. So you can size up significantly, doing the exact same thing that we're learning right here, which is observing, charting up our compression zones, waiting for a clean signal candle, and then looking for a little pullback and momentum going in our direction. That's where we get in, and then we just sitting on hands, no hands, and it goes from there. So this was a remarkably good week. No stops, but and all weeks don't go like that, right? Some weeks you have more stops than you have profit, but over time, and I've only gone back 6 months, but going back 6 months, approximately 1 out of 4 trades are stops, approximately 2 out of the 4 about half or partial, and 1 out of 4 go for the full 8 points. That's just my numbers based on my system, going back myself and looking at every single chart and seeing what the results are, which is something you can do real easily with TradingView. So that's it. That's the end of the week. Go out and have a great weekend. I'll be back at it on Monday. All right. Take care. Bye for now.